With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that what are the necessary conditions for autotrophic nutrition? What are its byproducts? Right. So basically, if we talk about the autotrophic mode of nutrition, right? If we talk about the autotrophic mode of nutrition, so it is that mode of nutrition in which the organism, right, in which the organism makes its own food, right, in which the organism makes its own food using some of the raw materials, right, using some of the raw materials, right. So the raw materials that are required, or basically we can say that these raw materials are basically the required conditions for the preparation of the food by the organism of its on its own, right. So basically the conditions are basically the number one, the carbon dioxide, number two is the water, right, number three is the chlorophyll, right, and the number four is the sunlight, right. So using these four components, or we can say the raw material or the conditions, the autotrophic nutrition can be achieved by the organism, and the organisms who in which the autotrophic nutrition is mostly seen or it takes place are the green plants. So basically green plants make their own food using these four raw material, or we can say that all these four conditions are very necessary for the plants to achieve autotrophic nutrition, and this process of preparation of their own food using these four material, right, by the green plants is known as the photosynthesis, right. This process is known as the photosynthesis. Now if we look at the autotrophic or if we look at the process of photosynthesis with the help of a chemical equation, so it's basically that the green plants use the six molecules of carbon dioxide along with the six molecules of water, right, and the whole process takes place in presence of sunlight, right, using the chlorophyll, right. So the product formed, right, so the product formed are the glucose C6H12O6, which is basically the food of the plant, right, which is basically the food of the plant that they prepare, and the six molecules of oxygen are produced, right. So basically at in the autotrophic mode of nutrition, the byproducts are basically the carbohydrates, right, are basically the carbohydrates, or we can say the glucose, and the oxygen is produced, right, as the product of photosynthesis, right. So this is the complete answer, that the necessary conditions for autotrophic nutrition are the presence of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and the sunlight, and the byproduct of the photosynthesis or the autotrophic nutrition is basically the carbohydrate or the glucose or the food of the plant and the oxygen, right.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.